In this guide, you'll learn how to use NXAI trading signals on FXNX. Let's get started. Tap the FXNX tab at the bottom, then find and tap NXAI. Switch to the Signals tab. Pick an instrument from the drop-down or quick pick grid, then tap Analyze to generate a signal. The signal shows the direction, bullish, bearish, or neutral, along with entry, take profit, and stop-loss levels. Check the confidence gauge and risk-to-reward ratio. Tap Risk Analysis to see potential profit and loss in pips and dollars. Use the position sizer to calculate your ideal lot size based on your risk tolerance. And that's it. You've completed all the steps. If you need any help, reach out via live chat on portal.fxnx.com. Happy trading!